Yep.
Okay, great. So, hello, judges. We are Team Green Style, comprised of 4 members, Sophia, Jonathan, Cody, and Miranda. So our project has mainly 4 problems that we are trying to solve. The 4 problems are climate change, landfills, clean water sources, and recycling. In fact, only 5 to 6% of plastics are recycled each year in the US.
So that our application Green Style aims to use leading AI technology to solve these problems above, and in order to affect people's actions so that we can help to protect the environment with 3 main features.
For our tools, we mainly use the AI chatbot, the Look extension AI, and MIT App Inventor with blocks.
So this is a brief app overview. So our first feature is finding resources and info, in which you can find articles, petitions, and charities related to the environment. And we use AI chatbot to provide answers to any questions a user may have. And next we have taking interactive quizzes, which is a random question order quiz with multiple choice answers. And we use text-to-speech to tell if users are right or wrong, and it can reveal the right answer to promote learning, and AI chatbot provides an explanation for all the questions. And lastly, we have the detection tool, in which users take a live video of any object in the app and they can use text to input the object. And we use AI image classification and chatbot to identify the object and tell whether they should recycle, decompose, or put in the trash.
And now for our project demo. This is the homepage of Green Style. The user can click both the white buttons and the green arrows to access technical features. For example, if they want to look at resources about the environment, they can click here.
This is the resources and information feature where users can learn about the current state of the environment and what they can do to help. So first we have the articles, which displays the most recent coverage of climate change, so users are aware of what's going on with our environment. Next, we have petitions, which show environment-related petitions, so users can educate themselves and sign them to help the Earth's environment. And next, we have charities, which display some of the best nonprofit organizations working to help our environment. Users can donate to them if they choose to. And lastly, we have the chatbot, which answers any questions a user may have about the environment. For example, what can I do to help the environment? And shortly, it responds with a bunch of different ideas.
This is the comprehension quiz part. When you press the button start, it will take you to the quiz screen. The quiz part is to test your knowledge of Green Style things. For example, this question is, what should you do with a used tissue? You can click each buttons to see whether your answer is correct or not. For example, let's choose C.
That's incorrect. You can try again or see the answer.
It will tell you that your answer is wrong. If you press the answer button, it will show the correct answer.
That's correct.
On the contrary, if you choose the correct answer, it will also notify you. When you press the next button, it will change the question. The order of the questions is completely random.
That's correct.
When you press the explanation button, the chatbot will explain all the questions that you have. You may wait for a few seconds until the chatbot generates the explanation for you. The default question that the chatbot will answer is the current quiz question that you met. After explaining your questions, the chatbot will also generate some other questions to help you consolidate your knowledge.
This is the detection page. By placing the object in the middle, press the classify button to find out how to dispose of it. As you can see from this clip, the detection tool can sometimes be inaccurate. So we allow the users to type in the object as well, pressing classify to get results.
Okay, so how our AI detection tool works. First, the user can either choose to use live camera view or they can input their object. Then we use Look extension AI to be able to classify the object that we see in the video input. Finally, we pass the object that is detected into ChatGPT to see whether we should recycle, compost, or trash the object. And finally, the answer from ChatGPT is returned to the user.
In the future, we would like to maximize our impact, improve the accuracy of our image detection, add a page for other projects, and add a tracker to make recycling more fun. Thank you for your time.
All right.